Hi, this is Andy. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Remix Effects plugin in Logic. So first, let's head over to the audio effects and then go to the multi-effects section, and then we can see Remix Effects is there. So let's choose the stereo version. We're going to put this on the house code, and as you can see on the left and the right, we've got two separate pads. We've got up to 6 separate effects that we can use on each of those. So we've got filter, reverb, repeater. We're going to go with the repeater and the filter for this one. In fact, I might just change the left one to reverb. And we're going to stick with the repeater on the right. And then here we've got a little noise stutter effect that we can use. Pretty cool for kind of build-ups before maybe a drop or just some suspense. And then on the right we've got a bit crusher. Here we've got more settings. These are for the sections in the middle. So this first one is a reverse. The one underneath is a scratch button, and then the bottom one is actually a stop. So it's kind of like a vinyl break. So for each of these we've got a left and right side. Click the side that you want to change and then head up to the top bit. So you've got like quarter notes, half notes, eighths. Just pick whichever you like the sound of best. You're going to get different effects using the different timings. Just for an example. And then we can customize these timings and make them sound a little bit different. I'll give you a little taster as to how that's going to work. Let's change it up again. Okay, so you get the picture. If we head over to the left, we're just going to change the record arm to touch. And so we're just going to record some automation in here. I think the way that I'd use this is just to do loads of automation. Just hit record and find the nice bits out of it that you can use maybe at the end of an 8-bar section or 16 bars, or just some kind of interesting effects that could be created by this. The good thing about it is that it's so easy to get quick, easy, good results out of this thing.